Hello everyone, today I'm going to be telling you all about my slimes, and I've got some new store-bought slime, which is these three. This one, and this one. And make sure to comment, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Hope you like it. Okay then, so these are my slimes over here. So I've got a super brain putty, a puff slime, a puff slime, a green shark tail crystal animal slime, and I got a mermaid slime. So first slime, I'm going to be doing the new ones last, so the new store-bought ones. So, hope you like it. So first one is this puff slime, but this is actually not the puff slime. It is another slime, because the puff slime had borax in, which is borax is really bad for you. So we got rid of it and put a new one in there because we didn't have a container for this one. This is colour changing slime. It turns from this colour to green. So it is purpley pinky at the minute, and it's really crunchy. So it's I added a little bit of glitter to it, and you like my background? It's a mermaid's book, which I'm just leaning on. So that's it. Like you can see, I added a bit of glitter to it, and this is me poking it. So this does get a bit sticky sometimes, so you've got to be careful of the background you're using, because you don't want slime to stick to it. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Next slime. So I'll give you a few minutes to look at that. Okay. Next slime is this super brain putty, which I have had for about 1 year now. I've had that one for about a year and a half, and this is a clear one. I didn't give it that much time to set. So this is really clear. It's like a really good clear button. And now I'm going to poke it. So you can see, kind of see the unicorn from out behind it. So you can see it on side. So this one is actually really better putty. And it is really good. Move these out the way so you can see. Okay, so next slime. I'll give you a few minutes to look at this. So yeah. So next slime is this mermaid slime. Let's move them up there. So it also comes with a mermaid in it, which I can see right now. So I got this a few days ago, and the tail kind of broke off it, and the slime got really small. It was tiny. It was up to the top before. So this is like a green colour, and there's also glitter in this one, and I don't know what that is. It's a popcorn kernel. So it's really stretchy, and you can twirl it like that. Unicorn one. And it's not that crunchy, and it's quite hard. So next slime. So I'll give you a close up to the mermaid, and that's that slime. But the next slime is this one. So this is the puff slime. So that's how it comes out. It sets really good. So I just played with this one a few minutes ago, and it sets really good. So that's it. It's got some fruity pebbles in, and it is yellow. So I'll show you some of the fruity pebbles. It's got an orange. This one. So these two. I think I just dropped. Oh, it's here. So these are two I can find, and then I've got a heart and a strawberry. And then there is some cherries in it somewhere and a watermelon. So it's me. So the last what slime I'm going to show you is my favourite, but still not moving on yet. Right, next slime. Which one? Right, next is the shark, the green shark tail slime, which is crystal animal slime. And it's got a little crab in the top. I'll get the crab out and show you all. So a few minutes ago I did try it again, but the video failed. And right then, here's the slime. It's really crystal blue. So this is a crystal blue slime. It's really crunchy. It's like a pearly kind of one. And it's really clear. Oh, it's puffing. And when you poke it, it's got a lovely scent to it. And it doesn't smell that nice. None of them really smell that nice except the mermaid one. And now I'm going to show you the surprise. Sonia, cameraman, can you show them the crab for a minute? Okay. So that is the green shark crystal animal slime. So next it is in a ball. It's a squeeze one. And you're ready to see it in this. So when you squish it, it's got like these bits on. It's got Orbeez inside. I'm trying to show you something really cool. So this is related to the background when you smush it like that. Look at that in the hair. Which is really cool because I love unicorns and this is like unicorns. As you know, my channel is called Rainbow Unicorns. So I'll be doing a lot of videos. Remember to subscribe, comment down below, press the notification bell if you like it.